So I'm making some jalapeno corn casserole, and I've never made this version before, so we'll see how it turns out. Now today, let's got some diced up jalapenos here. 3 large jalapenos, and went ahead and took the seeds out, and ran a can of corn here. I'm just sauteing a little bit of olive oil. Add a little bit of garlic powder. And some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper in there, and garlic. Ooh, that's smelling good. Alright, so to that, we're going to add a little cilantro flakes. Dry cilantro. You can use fresh if you have it. I don't have any. There you go. Add a little chili powder. And we're going to add a little cumin here. Pardon the TV. The TV's right next to where I'm cooking, and it's just the way it is, folks. It's Christmas Eve when I'm filming this, and Christmas stuff is on. Alright, so I'm going to add to this here mixture 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Let that melt into it. Alright, so there we go. There's the cream cheese mixed in, and you could actually take this and puree it up and make like a elote dip if you wanted to. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple of eggs once this cools down some. If you have the eggs now, it'll scramble, but let it cool down. Add some eggs. Then we're going to add a couple packages of this here honey jiffy corn mix. And bake it off in the oven. Look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Just pull that out of the oven. That is so delicious looking. It's kind of gooey, but yet crunchy on the outside. Corn casserole. Make one of these at your house. It'll be good, I guarantee.